Hi Cancerians and Pisceans, welcome back to my channel as Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be right from 12th July till 18th of July, though timeless readings, okay? There is the words, actually I'm hearing the sentence, long time no see, okay? So maybe some of you are connecting with someone who is intensely deeply connected with you, but you people are not in the position, or something is getting delayed basically to get in touch in real time. Like, you know, you may do video, you may talk, but you cannot be in front of one another, maybe for some of you, okay, for some reasons, which may be like distance, which may be work related, like your person is away possible, okay, but you people are just, you're not in the position to touch each other's fingers or hair, like kind of that energy, the real time, okay? Long time no see. For some cases, long time no see may go for old pals coming together or calling, okay? There may be something or someone from the other side, which is about the world card at the bottom, someone who is calling you, someone with whom you're connecting again, okay? This is like someone after the pause coming in contact with you, or you are getting in contact with them. Now with the world, may say there's going to be certain kind of, I heard the word rejuvenation, that you might be going through, or someone after recuperation coming back in contact with you. Now this may also go for you, okay? The world, someone is missing someone here. Now this may go mutual, okay? The way I said, maybe someone else is missing you, or you're missing this person, okay? Let's see. Some things are coming to an end, which means that you people are no longer dragging something. There's also someone who's traveling. Now, maybe you are traveling to the person you want to meet and they live at a distance, okay? So your vibe, again, Cancerians and Pisceans, but maybe a Scorpio as well. But I did the Scorpio reading separate. But I feel some of you are traveling here. There's also the forecast of like a happy life, basically. And I see a lot of flowers someone is giving you or gave you in this time frame, okay? There's a lot of push and pull that you people have gone through, or you people are still in, okay, which means it is about connected with heart matters. But I feel this is with the person who was in deep love, intense love, and still is. Someone over here is single. Even if you had troubles with the person, you're not dedicating your energy, basically you're not committed, okay, which is about you're single. Maybe you're meeting, talking to people, but it's just that the other person is aware about it, which is about you're not into deep or intense connection with anyone at all. You, even if you talk, you just talk. It's nothing to that extreme, I feel. I feel someone, if it's your energy, like you're opening up towards the person. The heart's beating, long time no see, okay, which is definitely about both of you possible felt the out connection or unloved situation, and now someone is, you know, long time no see means they want to talk, you want to talk, however it pertains with you. Nine of Cups, the consistency of something is reminding you of like old pal, old connections, soulmate, karmic, however you distinguish and understand as per your own thinking, or twin flame. What is that? Nine of Cups is something that you're desiring in this time frame to get in contact with the energy. Your heart is beating way faster. Or maybe something is going to come in the picture where there's going to be expression, and that expression may change the whole criteria of thinking about the other energy. This may be new, this may be something, but this heart is connected with you. It's like something is subtle, something is sober. Person possible. Okay. Let's see our overall energy in this time frame, which is my heart energy. Here I have the flip. Page of Swords. I heard the words it's about. So Page of Swords, maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe this is the message that you are sending, but this is also you're thinking how they're going to react, or however this can go, vice versa. This is also something that you're not ready for. Something that you're not ready, and you just want to cut the ties out, or you just want to cut the connection out, or the message out. I mean, if you're not ready, because there is something that's going to enter. Page of Cups. Someone may talk to you very sweetly, subtle way, or you are sending the message. Okay, there's going to be some text messages coming in and out. Some things that you're not ready for, some things that may interest you, or someone is interested in you here. So with the Page of Swords energy, it's all about whether you should take this further or not, because there is something that's going to come. Okay, long time no see, possible subtle sober message coming your way from someone, or you are sending. Definitely there's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this reading is for Cancerians and Pisceans. Something that you're seeing in a different light. Okay, I also see curiosity. This may be again Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There's curiosity around you. Maybe someone's interest in you. For singles out there who are not with anyone, there's some personality or someone who's going to put or show interest in you. Goes vice versa. But it is, if it is happening with you, you people are not, you people been for a long time not connected, okay, with anyone. Like you don't feel like you never felt that connection with someone. I feel there's going to be certain impression that's going to be made. Like in one go you would love to reply, but in one go, on the other hand, like you're going to be in the position of like, should I or shouldn't I kind of energy, which is about you're not totally ready, but then again there's curiosity connected with that. Okay, there may be some offer. If you people are single, there may be interest connected with someone who does want to marry you, so marriage offer. There may be a Taurus. This is like someone who does want to marry you, not necessarily, or looking forward to have sincerity. So someone who isn't coming in the picture as a sincere, on a sincere note. Marriage, yes, of course, for some cases. I'm telling you that in one go you have curiosity, in other go you're just not like interested. Something that is dwindling, like Two of Wands, and you don't know what to do. You know, to be honest, not everyone is interested in love and everything. You know, some are interested in working, financially getting independent, exploring, and doesn't necessarily, you know, you need to involve with someone. It's just that you just want your own time. So some of you just want your own time. That's why maybe your guards are up, kind of, okay? Which is about, I'm not interested in emotionally investing. Possibly you're not ready right now. So with the Hierophant, this may be just like you just, you know, you have that feeling of like this SUCKS, this feeling of like, you know, getting with someone and all that, maybe because of the past experiences. And maybe you don't approve with people who don't have proper morals. You know, it depends. It doesn't click that way. But there is this message, long time no see. So this maybe you may hear from your ex. Recording time was 0909. Your ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-husband, ex-wife, if this was the case. And you're like, now it's new. Now what is happening? I would suggest you, especially with Page of Swords and Page of Cups energy, that's your energy, like what you need to work on. Okay, just if you are not that much interested, you should be neutral. Okay, don't get angry, don't get agitated, don't get provoked. Be in your own zone. This is your zone. Look for your own lotus. Then you have the Eight of Wands. There's going to be something happening, I'm telling you that. So within a long time no see, you may communicate, they may communicate. This is also something that's not going to be so organized, but it's going to come with the dust and everything, like dust and everything, but it's going to be very fast conversation that might happen. This may be like a whistle. Knight of Cups. So this may be an offer, next phase, an apology, depends. Long time no see. Someone is sending you the message here, or an offer, and maybe an offer of sincerity, the Hierophant, which means they want to abide by the norms and the rules, which is about let's register our marriage, kind of like let's do it, you know. Okay, let's do it the way you want. What's in your future? There's a move, the Chariot. There's going to be decision. One of you, the Chariot, Cancerian, of course. For some of you, it's going to be next move that's going to turn into marriage or commitment, or kind of ascension. What's in your future? In your future, is going to be denying what you've been believing in. Okay, that this is never possible, that I will never do it, or I can say yes, or I won't reply, or it's something that fixation of thoughts or something, or never believing anything new. That's going to break. Nine of Cups energy, it's like something that is meant for you, that is desirable, and that should go with your connections in the future, is going to be here. Some of you are going to get the desired results of whatever is going to happen now, whatever you're going to believe in, because there's chat, there's message, there's talk, there's emotional connection, there's offer, there's an apology, there is someone sincere coming in the picture. This is Nine of Cups, like you are going to feel content regarding something. Okay, I'm going to use my own deck. Someone is watching you. As I said, someone is watching you. They're interested in you. They want to talk to you. Will you give them that space to sit and talk to you in your life? Okay, because I feel something is on hold, or was on hold, whatever. Maybe your thoughts were on hold, or watching you. So someone is watching you. Basically, that's messages for you. But however, this can go vice versa. You have Moon. Piscean is watching someone possible, or someone is emotionally getting connected. So, or someone is connecting, watching the moon and feeling like, oh my god, this is a person, I figured that out. Maybe Piscean or Cancerian is watching the moon and like, you know, my god, I feel this connection. But someone is resisting something as well. So recording time 1313, which is about endings and beginnings. So there to begin, resisting. I hope this is going to help you. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.